Today I'm going to go into the StampManage Report Designer and show you how to create margins on the left side of reports. And the reason for this is we've had a couple customers asking, how can I create a margin on the left side so I can punch holes in the printed output of a report, because I want to put the printed reports in a 3-ring binder. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, under Reports, I'm going to select Edit Report. And what I'm going to do is just take the stamp standard.lst, click Open. In most cases, you're going to want to save the altered report under a different name. So you'll have the option of printing it in the normal way or with the left margin. So let me select Save As. Now, how do I add the left margin? So first of all, I'm selecting this table object, and I can just drag over this left margin here, give ample space. Now, I've got a couple other components on the report, the title here, and I can also drag that over. Another way to change the size is under this position section here in the properties window. It will tell you what the current width is, and if you want to be more exact, you can change the width from, let's try 140. That makes it 140, and then I can drag it over. And like I said before, I can also expand it manually using the mouse. So here I'll try the same thing. Now the left margin is, actually it'd probably be better if I just change the left margin here and the width. So let me just change the left margin to, try 100 and change the size to 140. Click OK. So then I can manually change it as well. Anyways, I think you get the idea. So now I have space to punch holes on the left side of this report. From this point, all I need to do is test it out. If there's any type of problem, if there's too much space here, I can always drag these back over and make them a little bit bigger, etc., etc. Now there's also this situation where the columns, you may have to change the width of the columns a little bit because they will get squeezed once you make the report smaller, obviously. So let me just make the condition a little bit smaller. Let me check the quantity a little bit smaller. And I need space for the variety, so I'm just going to go in here and change the size. You get the idea. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks.